So you argue that major transitions occur when pressures across different domains begin reinforcing and amplifying one another. Let's talk about a domain. What does that mean to us? And it seems to be central here that when pressures cross different domains begin reinforcing and amplifying one another. Tell us about that concept.
Yeah, let's start with the domain framework. At the core of this historical work are 7 domains, again, historic. And those domains are science, technology, society, geopolitics, economics, philosophy, and the environment. And what's interesting as you trace this throughout history is that 1 or 2 domains can be active in a given part of an age, but that activity doesn't elevate to the level of systemic change. As more and more domains activate, and in every one of those ages that started to happen, the forces across domains begin to converge. And so one of the key pillars of the stories we've been telling for years now is this notion of convergence. When forces across domains are no longer kind of siloed into domain, but begin to converge across these domains, that's the signal, the biggest signal that you're on the verge of some level of systemic change. Again, historic, we've traced this throughout those ages and actually quantified it in terms of what it meant to a given age. So the 7 domain piece of the framework is critical. It's nothing else really matters. If you can understand those 7 domains and how they're intersecting with one another, you can get a much better glimpse into where things may be going. And so what we've tried to do is analyze the 7 domains, all the forces that we can see, and all the forces that may be spawned in light of the pressures that those forces represent.